Hello guys, in this video let's look at our hands-on challenge from the unit Control Access to Objects. The objective here is to create a clone of minimum access Salesforce profile with the name Cleaner, and once we have created the profile we need to tweak some object permissions. So let's split our screen with Trailhead Playground and get started. This is our settings page in the Trailhead Playground. So to create a profile, let's jump into the profile section. And once we are here, as we do not have any user license with minimum Salesforce over here, let's go ahead and click on New Profile. Let's select the existing profile of minimum access Salesforce. And our profile username is Cleaner. Let's copy paste that and save it. So our minimum access Salesforce profile with the name Cleaner has been created. So now we need to give some permissions for the profile. So let's go down to find the object permissions. So these are the standard object permissions. So the first thing is accounts, where we need read and edit access. So let's give a read. Oops. I think we need to click on edit. Yeah, let's click on edit first. And go back to the same section of standard object permissions. Here let's click on read and edit for accounts, and the next one is contacts. So let's find contacts. So for contacts we need the read and edit. So first is read and third is edit contacts, and the final permission we'll be giving is for leads, for read and edit as well. So let's find leads. Yeah, so first is read and the third one is edit. Okay, so we have tweaked our object permissions. So let's go ahead and save this one. So you do not need to make any changes for any other standard or custom objects. So let's check if you have done everything right in this challenge. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.